Good afternoon, traders. In this video, I'm going to talk about the one indicator that actually rule the all indicators, and this is one of the perfect indicator. The name of the indicator is the market turning points. As you can see on the screen, this is the level-based indicator that you can see on the screen. Now I can show you that why this indicator is very powerful because it has the real time levels. Like for example, this is the Great Britain Pound JPY 1 hour chart. You can see this buy opportunity was created on that time and the price has already went up. Now in real time, this indicator has plotted a sell opportunity level and then another sell opportunity level is plotted here. So it doesn't mean that this buy opportunity is valid anymore. So actually now the market is following the sell opportunity. So this indicator tells you what's happening in the real time. Like if the gold is dropping, so if this candle closes successfully, then this level will be fixed and then this will be considered as the sell on the gold. So please understand that it has the real time levels. Like for example, it was a sell opportunity, but the real time it has provided you with the buy opportunity. Like this is the real time formation, and if the candle will close, the level will get fixed. So guys, this is the most powerful indicator because if you go to my YouTube channel playlist, you will find 8 videos inside the advanced trading course, and I have talked about the liquidity in my videos. And after the liquidity hand, the market get a reverse, and from where we plan our trades. For example, if I hide that indicator, you can see what this is. This is the spot area for the retail trader. The retail trader will be buying here. Okay, we my students know that they never plan their trades on the spot. What they wait for the spot area to get a break. And now just look at the magic of the market turning points. When the price wants to reverse, now my indicator has plotted you with the buy opportunity, and this is our trading technique because we plan our all trades after the liquidity hand. So better, if you don't know anything about the liquidity and price action, go to the playlist, find the advanced trading course, 8 videos. They are completely free to watch on my YouTube channel. Okay, now I'm going to show you that if I need any other confirmation, that what I use. So for example, I open any random chart. Okay, now let's talk about this indicator. That my other indicator is like the market mirror. So basically, this indicator tells me that what could be the possible direction of the market in the next hours. So how I get the direction, that's very simple. You can see we have the zero level here. So if I see, like if you just look at here, the price was staying above the zero level. You can see above the zero level, and you can see even if it reached to the first negative value, we do not consider it to be a trend change above the zero and staying here for the much time. So it means that you are bullish. Now just imagine how many buy chances are there to take the trade. Just look at this, because we will buy on every lower point. We do not buy from here. Like this is the top point, we do not plan our trades from here, otherwise the market will take you down. Okay, so where we buy on every low of the market where we are getting the low point. Like for example, the market is making the low point right now. So once we get a bullish candle and we have the a buy signal from the market turning points indicator, we will definitely go for that trade. Okay, so you need to understand that these two indicators are very powerful. Just my market turning indicator is very powerful. You cannot believe, like just look at this one. Above the zero, the market make a breakout above the zero, it was staying here. So first of all, on the instant breakout, we never trusted that this is the instant breakout, now I should go for a buy position. No, always wait. Like you can see the breakout, and then you can see the trend is staying here. It means that the trend is solid, and then you got a buy opportunity level from the market turning points and go for that trade. This is how this indicator works. So if you want to get the lifetime version of the market turning points, my main indicator, and you want to get the lifetime version of the market mirror indicator, you can contact on Telegram, you can contact through email. Links are provided in the description of this video. Thank you very much.